This 2018 Keystone Montana 3731FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 39 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleep 6, auxiliary battery, microwave, TV, external shower, stovetop burner, DVD player, LP detector, Skylight, spare tire kit, water heater, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Keystone Montana 3731FL is 13,375 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.